Good morning, boys. Today we are going to see exercise 3.4, problem number 11. Prove that sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree equal to cos 45. So here I am going to take LHS and prove RHS side. LHS sin 105 plus cos 105 degree. Here we don't have proper value for direct value for 105 degree. Already I taught you that how to find out value for sin 100 degree. We have to split this value according to our known values, degrees value 60 plus 45 degree. So this can be split into 60 plus 45. Same like that, cos 60 degree plus 45 degree. Here I am going to use sin x plus y formula. Here cos x plus y formula. So here 60 as considered as x, 45 considered as y. What is sin x plus y formula? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So using the formula, I am going to expand this first term, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus this term cos x plus y formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So here cos x cos y is 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Now we can apply the values here. The value is sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. We see here we can have a cancellation, this value and minus this value will be cancelled. Remaining we have a common denominator is 2 root 2. The numerator 1 plus 1 it is 2. If I cancel this, answer is 1 by root 2. Answer is 1 by root 2, but we have to prove cos 45 in the right hand side. We can say the value 1 by root 2 value is cos 45. We know the value for cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So instead of that, we can write cos 45. It is RHS side. Hence proved. Next, problem number 12. Prove that sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree equal to cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. Here we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Here we cannot directly prove LHS equal to RHS, but here I am going to find out first LHS value, then RHS value. I am supposed to make both values equal. Okay, now LHS side. First find out LHS side answer. What is LHS side? Sin 75 minus sin 15. So this can be split into sin 45 plus 30, 45 plus 30. Here minus sin 15 can be split into 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. Now we have a formula. This is considered as x, y. This is x, y. Sin a plus b formula. Sorry, sin x plus y formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Using the formula, I am going to expand this. Sin 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree minus of, you take the bracket because it is minus. Next, after next step, we will bring the minus inside. Okay, sin a minus x minus y formula, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So here sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Now apply the values here. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2 minus inside, bring this minus inside, minus 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus, if you bring inside it is positive, cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So if you simplify this, is there any cancellation here? Yeah, here we have cancellation, this and this. The remaining is one by common denominator 2 root 2. So it is 1 plus 1 2. If I cancel this, 1 by root 2 is the answer for LHS side. Next, I have to find out RHS side. To get the answer 1 by root 2, then we can say LHS equal to RHS. So now take RHS side. Cos 105 degree plus cos 15 degree. Cos 105 can be written as 60 degree plus 45 plus cos 15 also 60 minus 45 degree. Now x y, cos x plus y formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Here this is x, this is y. Here plus cos x minus y formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Here cos x is cos 60 cos 45 plus sin 60 sin 45. Now apply the values here. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2, and a sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 value 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. This and this will be cancelled. Remaining denominator is 2 root 2, numerator 2, 1 by root 2. Look at the LHS side and RHS side, both are same value, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So hence LHS equal to RHS. So hence proved. So question number 12 is over. Next question number 13. Question number 13, show that tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree equal to 4. So here LHS, I am going to take LHS side. Before taking LHS side, first let me find out the tan 75 value first. Tan 75 can be written as tan 40 plus 30, sorry, 45 plus 30. Tan 45 degree plus 30 degree equal to, here tan x plus y formula, tan x plus y formula is x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. I am going to use this formula for expand this bracket. So here tan x is 45 degree plus tan y is 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3. One minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Just take cross multiply, common denominator, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 in the numerator. Next, same thing you have to do here also, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So answer is root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. This is the answer for tan 75. So here, now I am going to take LHS side. LHS side, look at that, tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. Here we have found only tan 75 degree, no need to find out cot 75 degree here because we have tan 75, cot 75 is reciprocal of tan 75. So here in LHS we can write tan 75 plus 1 by tan 70, instead of cot, what can be right? Tan 75, cot 75, we can write 1 by tan 75, reciprocal. Instead of cot 75, I can write 1 by tan 75. Tan 75 value is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 plus reciprocal of tan 75 is root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1. Just taking reciprocal for tan 75 because it is 1 by tan 75. Okay, now this is a minus b, this is a plus b formula. Sorry, you don't, multiply this denominator for LCM. If you multiply, we have to cross multiply in the numerator 2. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 plus 1, sorry, minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So in the numerator, look at this, this is root 3 plus 1 whole square, no? So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula. If you apply a plus b whole square formula, a square is root 3 square plus b square is 1 square plus 2ab is 2 root 3. Here plus this is a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square, because a root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. So it is considered root 3 minus 1 whole square is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus b square plus, sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 root 3 by, here we have A plus B into A minus B formula is A square minus B square formula. A square is root 3 square minus 1 square. So here it is cancelled 3 plus 1 it is 2. This will be cancelled plus 3. This root and power will be cancelled, 3 will remaining. Here square root and root cancel, 3 minus 1. So it is 8 by 2. If I cancel this, answer is 4. It is RHS side. Hence, proved. So problem number 13 over. Next problem number 14. Problem number 14 is prove that cos of A plus B cos C equal to minus cos of B plus C cos A equal to sin B cos of C minus A. Sin, not cos, it is sin. So here I am going to take LHS and prove RHS side. Take LHS side. Here I am going to express the formula cos x plus y formula. Cos x plus y formula is cos A, cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. So here cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B into, we have to multiply with cos C, the whole bracket, minus here x, B as x, C as y A. Here we are going to use cos A plus B whole square formula is, cos A x plus y formula is cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. Cos B, cos C minus sin B, sin C into cos A. Now multiply the cos C inside the bracket. What happened? Cos A, cos B, cos C minus sin A, sin B, cos C minus multiply cos C inside the bracket, cos A inside the bracket, minus into cos A, cos minus cos A, cos B and cos C, minus into minus plus cos A, sin B, sin C. Here cos A, cos B, cos C and cos A, cos B, cos C cancel, minus cos A, cos B, cos C cancel. Remaining we have here first negative, here positive. So for positive term I am taking first cos A, sin B, sin C minus sin A, sin B, cos C. Here see we have sin B and sin B commonly in this term. So I am going to take sin B commonly outside. If I take sin B commonly outside, it is cos A sin C minus sin B taken out, sin A cos C. Now look at that, we got sin B from the right hand side, sin B we got the answer, but we need to find out, we need to bring another value, sin of C minus A. So here C minus A I'm going to consider C as X, Y as A. Here, I'm going to use sin of X minus Y formula. Here, sin of X minus Y formula is sin X cos Y plus cos X sin Y. Here, X is C, Y is A. So, here we have sin C cos A, cos C sin A, we have to bring it from this step. Here we have for this step, so I am going to, here minus. So, for this to bring this formula, I have to rearrange according to this right hand side. So, here how can we rearrange it? Sin B, first X instead of X we have considered C, no? So, sin C cos A minus, next cos C sin A. Now look at that, sin X cos Y minus cos X sin Y formula, we got it for sin of X minus Y. It is a form of sin of X minus Y. Here sin of X minus Y is sin B into sin of C minus A. So, finally we got the RHS side. Hence proved. So, you just keep that in your mind. For like this problems, according to the right hand side only, we have to do all the steps. Then only we can get the answer. Next, problem number 15. So, problem number 15. Prove that sin of n plus 1 theta, sin of n minus 1 theta plus cos of n plus 1 theta into cos of n minus 1 theta cos 2 theta. So, here I am going to take LHS and bring the RHS value. So, here look at this LHS side. If you consider the whole thing n plus 1 into theta as x, n minus 1 theta as y, if you consider that sin x sin y plus this is x, this is y, what will happen? Sin x sin y plus cos x sin y. It is a formula for cos of this formula, cos of x minus y formula is cos x sin y, cos x cos y minus plus sin x sin y. So, this given LHS is according to this formula. So, what I am going to do? I am going to use this formula. For this formula, first I need a cos, then sin. So, I just rearrange it. There is nothing wrong about that, just because both are addition. So, we can rearrange the terms in any way. Cos of n plus 1 theta, cos of n minus 1 theta plus sin of n plus 1 theta into sin of n minus 1 theta. See here, let I am going to take let x as n plus 1 into theta, y as n minus 1 into theta. Here I am going to consider this. Okay, now I am going to apply x value or y value in this form. Cos n plus 1 theta can be written as x, cos n minus theta as y plus sin x sin y. Look at that. We got the formula, no? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So, this can be written as, what is the left hand side of this formula? Cos of x minus y. So now apply the value for x and y. In this cos, x is n plus 1 into theta minus n minus 1 into theta y. Now cos of, multiply inside n theta plus theta minus n theta minus into plus theta. So plus n theta minus n theta will be cancelled. What is remaining? Cos of theta plus theta is 2 theta, which is right hand side. So hence proved. So by this we can conclude today's class. Remaining problems we'll see in the next class. Thank you.